Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. First, just go to the AutoCAD software. This one is the AutoCAD software. To go for the new model, just click this new one. You will get the new window. Now see the drawing again. This is our drawing. For easy explanation, I'm just keeping like this. First, our dimension are in mm. For software, we need to specify the units. First, specify the units as type units. Just enter it. You will get this dialog box. Our units are in mm, so choose here decimal. Here precision you set it as 0. Then specify the units as millimeter. See OK. Now I have specified the units. Then we need to specify the drawing sheet in computer. Maximum length and height of the drawing is, here you can calculate 20. This one is also be 20 and 20, 40. Here you can calculate is 80 plus 10, 90 plus 50, 140. Maximum length is 140 and maximum height is 80. Then we can specify the sheet dimension as 200. X length is 200 and Y length is 200. To specify the sheet in AutoCAD, the command is called as limit. Just specify limit, enter. Left corner, lower left corner is 0, 0, enter. And upper right corner I am specifying 200, 200. Then Z, enter. A, enter. It is set it is zoomed all. Zoom all it's made. Z and A is nothing but zoom all. Now we can start drawing this model. We can start drawing from any point. From here, any point we can start drawing it. Now I'm going to start drawing from this point. So take a line. We can take a line from this icon also or from the command also. Just press the escape. To get the line in command, just L, enter. You will get the line in your mouse. Just start from here. Initially it is coming from the inclined line. To make it a straight line, switch on this ortho mode. I'm going to start from the vertical line, which is 20 mm. Just 20, enter. Horizontal line also be 20, enter. And this length, here you can see, total length is 80. We have taken out 20. We have already drawn 20. So 80 minus 20 is 60. 60, here it has 30 mm radius arc. So 60 minus 30, which is 30 mm. Then type 30, enter. Then we need to draw a arc. As we have learned how to arc, we are drawing from the circle. So just go for the center. From here to the center is 30 mm. Just go for 30 inside. Just right click and close it. Just right click, we need to cancel it. Just delete this line. Then go for circle with the radius. Center and radius. The radius of the circle is 30. See, we got as a arc. Then take a line again. Make sure you're getting a quadrant point. If you are not getting this quadrant point, just go and switch on this quadrant point. Just select this one. This length we need to draw. Here you can see from here to here, which is 80 mm. 80 minus 30, 50 mm. This dimension is 50. Enter. Then go downward, which is 25 mm. 25, enter. And right side, which is 10 mm. 10, enter. And vertical again 25. And here you can see the total length is 50 mm. 50 minus 30 mm radius, which is 20 mm. 20, enter. Then we need to draw a circle. Just go inside. 30 mm radius, then 30, enter. Right click, cancel. Take a circle. Center and radius. Specify it. Radius is 30, enter. You can see the circle is created properly. Then take a line again. Not this point actually. From this point we need to start. Select this point. The vertical dimension is Total height is, here you can see 80 minus 30 mm radius, which is 50 mm. 50 mm minus 20 mm is 30 mm. Just go downward 30 mm, enter, and this inclined line we need to draw. To draw an inclined line, switch off this ortho mode. Just click here, you will get ortho mode off. Now see, this length they are not provided. Instead, they have given angle. Here this angle is 60 mm. Then this vertical angle will be 30 mm. So 30 mm plus 90 mm, you will get 120 mm. The same has to be specified. Now press the tab button. See, this editable value is changing to angle. This one is 120. Enter. Just right click, cancel. Now we'll start from a line from here. Take a line again. Here, horizontal line. This is inclined line it's showing. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. This one is 20. Enter. Then we need to draw a circle with a diameter of 30. Just go for 15 mm again. Right click and cancel. Take a circle with the diameter. This one is the center. Diameter is 30. Just enter it. Take a line again. This point. Just create a line. Right click and cancel. Now we just want to remove the unwanted lines by using a trim tool. Just go for trim. Just remove it. This also we don't want it. This also we don't want. These two also we don't want. Similarly, this is we don't want. This also. This is we wanted it. This also we don't want. Here also outside we don't want. This also we don't want. Now see, outer sketch we have created. Just escape it. Escape. Just press the escape. It will come out from the previous command. Now we just want to draw this circle. This circle center is 30 mm from here and here. The same circle center of this arc. Take a circle. Diameter they have given radius. So go for the center. To get the center point, just move your cursor to the edge. You will get the center point. Just draw this as a 10 mm. Just enter. Here we need to draw this smaller circle. For that we need to find the center point, which is 25 mm. Take a line. From this point, you just move to 25 mm. 25, enter. Right click and cancel. Now take a circle with a diameter and select this point. The diameter is 10 mm. 10, enter. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just go to trim. Remove this one and this one. Now we have drawn the complete model. Just press the escape. It will come out from the previous command. Now we have completed the full model. Now we just go for the dimension. Now create the dimension. First we'll start from the linear dimension. Just click it here, linear. This one. We have created a dimension, but it's showing very small. To modify the dimension property, type the dim style. Dim, STY, enter. Here you can see modify. Here you choose symbols and arrow size as 4. Text size also make it 4. Primary units also we make it as 0. Now say OK. Then close it. Now see, we got a dimension with a proper size. Then we'll draw a dimension one by one. Just move this dimension little more here. Just escape it. Now just go for the linear dimension again. From this point to this point. We can place it like this. Then we can go for linear dimension of from this point to this point, which is 80. This dimension we keep it inside. Yes. Just escape. Now just go for the radius. Here they have specified radius. Just click the circle. You will get the radius dimension R30. Then just go for the linear dimension again. From this point to this point, the linear dimension of 80 mm. Then again from here to here, which is 10 mm. and again go for the linear dimension from here to here, which is 50 mm. This 10 mm, just 10 mm, I just place it, just move to here. Okay. For easy moving, just switch off this ortho mode, then only we can move this dimension easily. Place it. Now see, this one is 80, 10, 50. Then we need to specify the radius of this arc. For that, just go for the radius. Choose this one. Just place it outside. And this dimension, linear dimension, is 25. From here to the center point is 25. Just keep it somewhere here. And this diameter, they specified it as 10. Just go for the diameter. This one is 10. Now again go for this one. Just take a angle. Here you can see angular. Click this line and this line. You will get angle 60. Just click it here. Now just move it and place it where you want to place. This one is 60. Then this height need to be specified. Just that is a linear one. From this point to this point, this height is 20. Then we need to specify the diameter of 30. Just click it here. Take a diameter. Just click it here. This one, like we can place like this. And this dimension we can mention it as 20. From here to here, which is 20. Now we have specified all the dimension. Only thing, this diameter we need to specify. Just go here, choose this diameter, this one, and place it. Now we have specified all the dimensions. All the dimensions should be placed in outside. This one we can place it inside. This dimension also we need to specify linear. From here to here, which is 30, and here also you can specify it as 30. Now completely we have defined the dimensions. In that we have finished this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next tutorial, we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.